So in the previous segment, I asked you one question about Infosys share price going down. Some of you have commented, some of you have messaged me individually. The reason why Infosys share has fallen down, not because there is some management change or something, it is because of bonus shares. Let me quickly take you through that. Let us go to the BSE website and go to Infosys, select Infosys, and I will take you through this portion called as corporate action, and I'll extend the corporate action list and I'm going to show it to you. Dividend declared is list. Yeah, look at the bonus history. 4th September 2018, issue of 1:1. Okay, I think you're not able to see. Just one second. I'll just take you through that. Infosys. Yeah, so you can see Infosys. You can go to the website, type Infosys. You have a portion called as corporate action on the left hand side. You can click extension arrow, then you get the list of corporate actions. One of the main important is bonus issue is 1:1 in 4th September 2018. So if you look at the price on 4th September 2018, the share price would have fallen down. So why it will fall down? Are you able to see the bonus shares? You can see here, right? In the issue 1:1, 1:1. Yeah, that is a bonus share. Okay. Now, let me give you numerical example. What is the secret behind bonus share? Many of you think bonus share is very good, free of shares. No, it does not make any difference. If I ask you 100 rupee note is better or 20 rupees you get 5 notes is better, which is better? Both are equal, right? That is exactly the bonus issue also. Okay, so bonus issue is nothing but what you have but divided into number of shares. So if I example 1:1 bonus issue means if you have one share of 1000 rupees each will become two shares of 500 rupees each. Just because you have got one more share now does not mean your value has increased. Overall value remains same. Then why bonus issue is concerned? What is the utility of the bonus share? That we will take it in a different segment. Now I just tell you how to understand this bonus shares while calculating the share price returns. So suppose today the share price is 1000 rupees. Next day the share price, there is a bonus issue of 1:1 and share price has become 505. There you should not think 1000 rupee has become 505. That is not a right way, because 1000 rupees you had one share, now 505 you will have two shares. So effectively 1000 rupee worth earlier, now it has become 1010. You have a 10 rupee gain, but 10 rupee gain is for two shares. We want to understand today's share basis. So what do we do? 1000 rupee before bonus and 505 after bonus. And what is the ratio of the bonus? 1 for 1 held. So if you have 1 held, then you get 1 bonus and total you will have 2 shares. That 2 shares now will reflect 505. So what do? This previous price, you apply this ratio, that is what is held to the total into 1/2, that becomes 500. Now 500 and 505 can be compared. So whenever there is a bonus issue, you need to convert the share price before bonus into after bonus. How do you do it? By multiplying by the shares held divided by total shares after bonus. This kind of shares is called as adjusted price. Mostly whenever you talk about the share prices from the money control website and all, or any other third party website, they would have done the adjustment and you will get the answer. So if you are using the raw data, be aware bonus shares, right shares everything else to be adjusted. But what is the takeaway from this snippet series? Bonus share does not mean free shares. It is only going to be more number of shares without changing the value of your position. This is 5 minutes. See you tomorrow with a new snippet series.